everyone, it's Anna. Today I'm going to show you how to refill your Bliss Kiss Squeeze Pens. Now, I do need to make a disclaimer right up front. These are sold to us as a single-use item, but unlike our twist pen model, these are so much easier to pull apart. But again, we can't guarantee that they won't break upon opening. So let's get started. The tool that you need is a dull butter knife. And what I want you to notice on the brush head is that there are two circles and there is a gap between them. You do need that gap for the mechanism to work, so it's not broken. Okay, let's look at the different components that make up this entire brush head. So the first piece is the bottom, which has the spring mechanism. And you'll notice that there are two holes that I can stick this needle all the way through. And that's how the oil gets in, and then it travels up the center tube into the bristles. And then this last piece is like a little Lego piece that just snaps on, and it holds your bristles together. And then these parts all snap together. Now remember, I talked about there is this gap and it's supposed to be there. So we're going to start by putting the dull knife blade in and just pushing up and away from you. Now if it's really giving you grief, you might notice that now there's a little gap under the second circle, and that's where you'll put the knife blade for your second attempt. And then it should pop out just fine. And then you fill it and you pop that back in and you're good to go. Now let's look at this again. Okay, now one of the things that we've noticed is that when you store your pens horizontally, the oil can wick through those tiny little holes and it starts to fill up the brush bristles, and then it also will wick back into that little piece that looks like a Lego piece. So we recommend that you store your pens upright and that you don't fill them completely full. So, you know, cute little glasses or even this toothbrush holder work great.